Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram. First of all, launch your Instagram app in your mobile device. After that, on the top left corner we can see the plus icon under the use story option. Tap on that icon. Over here you'll be seeing the files under your gallery. What you have to do is select one of the picture that you want to add highlights on, and after you select it, tap on your story option on the bottom. And when it gets uploaded, what you have to do is simply tap on your story. Over here we could see under the bottom there's an highlight option. Just beside the Facebook, tap on the highlight, and this is it. If you want to type down any names in your highlights, you can simply select that, and after that tap on the add, and this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.